So I have my 2-gallon bucket filled up with cold water. I have 1 sanitizer packet. So it's 1 sanitizer packet for 2 gallons of water. So what we'll like to do is just open that, sprinkle that in, and then mix it thoroughly. After it's mixed up, we could take both and we're going to pour into each side of the machine. Before that, I like to put in the carb tubes. So our carb tubes are in the closed position, and we're going to just put them in, just like that. Pour our sanitizer in each hopper. I just want to point out that these are in a closed position. We want them in the closed position so when we put the sanitizer in both sides, we can use it to wipe down the other edges. So sanitizer's in there. We're just gonna dip clean paper towel in and wipe off the sides. Just try to get the sanitizer to hit everything. Okay. As soon as we do that, we're going to pull the push rods out, lay them in the sanitizer, and it'll bubble until it's full. Okay, so sanitizer still finishing up, filling the cylinders there. So I'm gonna get you started over here. So once that's done bubbling, which indicates that it's full, you're gonna come to your board, okay? You'll go to your clean menu, get into each by hitting it, and then turn your beaters on. We want to do this for 1 to 5 minutes. This will allow the sanitizer to hit everything we touched, making everything food safe and getting it ready to prime and get our mix in. Okay, it's been about 4.5 minutes. We're gonna shut our beaters off here, and we're gonna let the sanitizer hit each side and then drain. So we shut our handles, it's all drained. We're gonna put our push rods in, push up, lock in on each. Now we're ready to prime and get put our mix in, prime the rest of the sanitizer out, which you could see in another one of our videos, priming a gravity machine. And then you're ready for mix.